Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we're taking a look at the Ulanzi MA28 stand clamp GoPro tripod mount. This little gadget is a game changer for all you content creators and vloggers out there. With its 360 rotation joint, you can now capture your content in both landscape and portrait orientation, giving you more versatility and creativity in your shots. But that's not all. The cold shoe mount allows you to attach video lights, microphones, and other camera accessories, so you can take your content to the next level. No more shaky or poorly lit videos with this mount. Your content will be professional and polished. And the best part? It's compact and portable, weighing only 68 g, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Whether you're out exploring, filming, or vlogging on the go, this mount will be your best friend. So if you're ready to upgrade your content and take your videos to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on the Ulanzi MA28 stand clamp GoPro tripod mount. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content just like this. See you in the next video.